All right, it is Field Trip Friday time, and today we decided we are going to go up to Park City. Now, there are 4 typical spots that we like to visit when we go to Park City. One is right off the freeway. So as soon as you get off the freeway, there's that shopping center to the left. I think it's a Smith's. Is it a Smith's, babe? There's a Smith's right there, and then there's the Red Rock. Is it Red Rock?
Yes.
The Red Rock restaurant, the Cold Stone, the whole shopping center. I think there's even a movie theater in there. We will usually park in that shopping center, and then we will walk under the bridge to the trails that lead kind of up that mountain right there. So that's the first spot. We'll park right there in the shopping center. And then the nice thing is when we're done with our little hike, it's more of a walk. It's a paved kind of path. And the path actually goes all the way into Park City. So we will walk that path. And the nice thing is when we turn around and come back, we're right there where Cold Stone is and all those restaurants. So we can go, Cafe Rio's there, we can go grab some lunch, get a drink, whatever. So that's the first spot. The second spot we like to visit is right at that big white farm. There's a big white farm on the way to Park City, and you can park across the street from the farm. And again, once you park there, you just go under the freeway, under the road. Under the road. Okay.
And you can see the cows, and you can walk by the cows and see the deers. Yeah. So you can go back home and start home.
See, and you can see the cows. He's absolutely right. When you park at that parking lot, go under the street, and then you pop on the side of the farm, you do see a lot of cows and horses. And that path is still the same path that we would originally walk if we walked from the first location, which is right off the freeway. We could walk that path all the way to that farm, but we usually don't. We usually will go to the farm and park there and walk around there. The third location that we like to go to on Field Trip Fridays in Park City is the resort, and we'll just hike around the mountain. And then the fourth location is Old Main Street, basically Park City Main Street. Sometimes we'll walk up and down Park City Main Street and grab some lunch. So today, Field Trip Friday, we're gonna head up to Park City because I believe it's like 93 degrees down here in Salt Lake City and like 79 degrees up there in Park City, so dramatically cooler. So we're gonna get out of this heat, head up the mountains, and it kind of feels like it's getting away without really getting away. From our house to Park City is like 20-25 minutes. So we're up in the mountains, so it feels like we're getting away, but it's only 20-25 minutes away. And then when we come home, it's a really quick ride to get back. So it's time for Field Trip Friday, somewhere in Park City. We haven't figured out our destination yet, but we will figure it out on our way up. Where are we going, guys?
To stay where there's the X that you can't bring dogs. Stop.
No, we're bringing dogs. Ella, where are we going?
It's a Friday.
Yeah, Field Trip Friday.
Yay, to the Friday.
I wanted to get to you in a fast car. I wanted to get to anywhere. Maybe we'll make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. I've been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs to finally see what it means to be living. You got a fast car, so fast enough so we can fly away. We're gonna make a decision. Leave tonight and die this way.
We decided to come to option number 4, which is the ski resort itself. You can see the parking lot is packed. A lot of people are here mountain biking, but we're just gonna basically walk around. So on some of these trails, kind of just play, maybe walk up to the snow up there, and basically just have a good time. We got the dog with us, and we're just gonna go have a field trip Friday.
Yeah, for the battle, that's the way it is. Said his body's too old for working. His body's too young to look like it. Mama went off and left him. She wanted more from life than he could give. I said somebody's got to take care of him. So I quit school, that's what I did. You got a fast car.
All right, so the temperature up here is extremely comfortable. I don't know if you can see, there's a beautiful breeze. If you look at the trees, they've got a lot of movement just due to the breeze that's up here. So it's dramatically cooler up here at Park City than it is down in Salt Lake City. Again, it was in the 90s down there, and here it's, I think, maybe just 80. So, you know, good 10, 12 degrees cooler. We're gonna come up here, adventure around with the kids, and as they like to do, discover new things and find some wildlife. So we're just gonna do a little hike on Field Trip Friday.
I got a plan to get us out of here. I've been working at a convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs. Finally see what it means to be living. You got a fast car, fast enough so we can fly away. We're gonna make a decision. Live tonight and die this way.
So we just got done with Field Trip Friday up here at Park City Ski Resort. The kids had a blast. We played with dirt, we played with rocks, we played with sticks, walked around, played with water, and we're on our way back home now. 20-25 minutes, we'll be back to our house, having completed another Field Trip Friday. All right, so we decided on our way back, as soon as we left the Park City Resort, we were hungry. So we stopped off, picked up some lunch. We thought we would park here at the parking lot. Got some lunch on my lap. And this is the parking lot where you would park to go to see the, to basically walk the path where their farm is. So basically, this is the parking lot. Then just right there is a tunnel that goes under the road. So you don't have to run across the street, of course. You go under the road, you pop out on the other side. And then there's the farm, there's the walking path, and that walking path goes, like I said, all the way into Park City, into the city, and then it goes all the way where we originally started when we got off the freeway. Over there is the Dakota Mountain Lodge, Waldorf Astoria, and okay, yes.
We're gonna go to Park City to see wildlife, freaking cats, sissies. What's that other thing?
Gophers.
You can see gophers with those things that I want. Is it what?
Hamsters.
And you can see hamsters and squirrels. Oh, and there's something that we want to see. We can go fishing. Then, oh, I love you. Bye.
All right, he loves you. Bye.